Today I am going to show you how to create a group chat. Click on the chat icon in the upper left-hand corner of the Elevate desktop application. Choose the plus sign and choose New Channel. Type in the name of the channel, put in a description. You can choose if you want to make it public so people would be able to search for it. And add members. Once you have added everybody that you want to add in, click Create Channel. Type in a message that will appear to everyone in that channel. To search for an existing team chat, if it is public, type in the name of the chat and it'll pull up every channel with that information. If I wanted to join, I can click Join. I can send files, GIFs, emojis, @mention someone, or change my font. I can see which members are part of this group. I can see all of the files that have been shared. I can make this group a favorite by clicking Favorite. If I go back to my search, you'll see that they've been added up here. I can add someone into this group. I can search for a word, or if I click More, I can mute, edit, or leave this chat.